In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download your videos here in Canva. Now, this is really easy to do, and you can do it on a free account, but on a pro account, you're going to have a few more settings. Now, once you've created your video, whether that's from a template and or scratch, and you want to download this, we simply come to the share button up here. We're going to click on download, and then you can simply click download. Now, if you have a Canva Pro account, you can also play around with this bar, increasing it and decreasing it. Now, if we increase this bar, we're going to get a higher quality. So right there, this is for 1080p, which is best for streaming. If we increase this, it's going to do it to 4K, which is best for larger screens. And if we decrease this, it's going to lower the quality of that video. But once you're ready, you simply click on download. It will then take a minute or two, depending on how long your video is as well. And then once that's downloaded, you're going to have your video just like this. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to download a video here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.